Now in this part of the project, we are going to make some stuff to go on the inside of our diorama. We're going to use this Model Magic that I sent home, and I'll have it in school too if you're learning in school. Now you might have enough Model Magic to make more than one thing. I am going to do that. I'm going to sculpt myself. I'm going to make a dog, because my neighbor's dog comes over a lot. And I'm going to make my computer chair. There's no real rules to how you sculpt with Model Magic, but sometimes I find that things stick together well, stay together more if you cut pieces off, and I'm even using a scissors for that. So I'm just going to cut some legs for my person, then I'm going to cut some arms. You can take pieces of Model Magic off and stick them back on again. That works sometimes. And if they do fall off, you can just put them back on with like normal Elmer's glue. But I sometimes find this cutting method works a little bit better. Now again, there's no real right way to do this. And I'm gonna make my dog here. And I'm just gonna kind of pull the legs out when I do it this time. And I'm just gonna go a little bit, pull out each leg, pull out the head, even pulling out the ears. And I'm just kind of pinching with my fingers and pulling out different parts until I get the dog that I like and I need in my place I remember. I'm going to use the rest of my Model Magic to make part of my computer chair. After you're done with your Model Magic, you have to let it dry for a few hours. I usually just leave it overnight. But after it dries, we can give it some color. Now the easiest way to do this probably is with markers. I'm just using normal Crayola Magic markers, and I can color on my Model Magic once it is dry. I'm going to do that for the sculpture of me. I'm going to color in its clothes, give it some blue pants, give it a shirt, and maybe draw on my beard, color in my hair, and I'm just going to keep doing that, giving it shoes, giving it everything until I think I'm done with it. Craftsmanship counts on this too. Good coloring. It looks really kind of junky if it's scribble coloring, so don't scribble color, and then you'll come up with something that looks really great. That's how you can do this. Now, with my dog. With the dog I made, I am going to use paint. You can use paint with this. Lots of paints will work. Something like watercolors probably won't work very well, but tempera cakes, tempera paint, acrylic paint, that'll work. If you don't have paint, just continue with the markers, because that looks great too. But those are a couple ways to add color to your Model Magic.